Hello, good morning students. I am Dr. Sunita Tandon from RR College Alwar. Today I am going to start the another section of your Unit 3. This is acid rain. The term acid rain was first used by Robert Angus Smith in 1872. Literally it means the presence of excessive acid in rainwaters. Acid rain is in fact cocktail of mainly sulfuric acid 60 to 70%, nitric acid 30 to 40%, and HCl, where the ratio of these acids may vary depending upon the sulfur, nitrogen, and chlorine emissions. Increasing acidity in natural waters and soil has become a problem all over the world. Rain tends to be naturally acidic with a pH of 5.6 due to the reaction of carbon dioxide with water to produce carbonic acid. This small amount of acidity is, however, sufficient to dissolve minerals in earth crust and make them available to plant and animal life. Other atmospheric substances from volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and other natural phenomena also contribute to natural sources of acidity in rain. But it is the contribution of sulfur SOx, NOx, etc. from anthropogenic activities that disturb this acid balance and convert natural acidic rain into precipitation, which has a far-reaching environmental consequences. Acid rain has become an invisible threat present in rivers, lakes, and forests of Norway, Germany, UK, USA, India, Europe, and Canada. In USA, in 1979, the pH of acid rain was 4.2. In Los Angeles, a pH of 3.0 was notified for dense fog. The most acidic rain ever recorded in USA fell at Wheeling, that is in West Virginia, which was considerably more acid than lemon juice with pH of 2.2 and almost as acidic as battery acid. On April 10th, 1984, when a rainstorm hit Pitlochry in Scotland, it beat the world record not for heavy volume but for acidity. The rain has become acidic than vinegar. In Delhi, the pH level of rainwater decreases from 7 in 1985 to 6 in 2001. However, several questions arise. Which acid are present? What are their precursors? How are they formed? Does oxidation occur in gas phase, in aerosol, fog, cloud, rain, droplets, or on the surface of the soils? Now we will study where does the acid come from. Acidification of environment is a man-made phenomenon. The superstack and mammoth smelters at Suddenbury, Ontario released about 2500 tons of sulfur dioxide into air daily. It is the largest stack in the world and serves as a symbol of acid rain problem in North America. Recent studies indicate that global atmosphere is on the receiving end of 20 billion tons of carbon dioxide, 130 billion tons of sulfur dioxide, 97 million tons of hydrocarbons, 53 million tons of oxides of nitrogen, and more than 3 million tons of cadmium, arsenic, lead, mercury, zinc, nickel, and other toxic metals, and a host of organics including polychlorinated biphenyls causing environmental hazards and acid rain. Most of the above pollutants come from transportation, industrialization, factories, power stations, smelters, volcanoes, and burning